the National People's Party is gearing up for the upcoming autonomous district council elections in the state. This time around, the party has announced 53 candidates for both KHADC and JHADC. Speaking exclusively to Didi Meghalaya, NPP candidate from Nongthymmai constituency and Syiem of the KHADC, Pyniaid Syiem has exuded confidence of winning the election despite being a new entry into the constituency. When asked about the closest rivals, Syiem said the fight is against all the 5 candidates vying for the Nongthymmai seat.
Hangahinga so nabaro kini ki hinru sangut ki hinrungut ki candidate baro ngidei ki Batmai sudah hakan ni konstituensi kata ka beningkom kabaar pat kiba ngilai longkum si perlok ngi thu ithau iwe te Syiem baki ngilayami hi hakamadan ke jingile ngi hapshim hi ba kandon be hi ke jingile bat baro om tang bat uno candidate.
Director of Drug Reduction